हेलो गाइस, इट्स मी प्रांजू गेमर। तो आज हम रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं इफ़ डोर्स मॉन्स्टर हैड डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर। ये ट्यून नाइट की तरफ से। तो मेरे को पता है ये अच्छा होने वाला है, तो मैं अभी लाइक कर दे रहा हूँ, बाद में सब्सक्राइब भी कर दूँगा। तो लेट्स बिगिन। Where's Ambush? I've been doing napping, bruh. You're dead now. Hey, Rush. No, I got this. I. Oh man. Ha. Shut up, figure. You don't even have eyes. I'm at you. Guys, stop fighting and focus on the game. Shut up, Screech. No one likes you. Timothy likes me. When did I say that? See, no one likes you. Well, you're in speedruns. So do you? So sometimes, what are you talking about? I hardly ever kill speedrunners. And Luke finally woke up. Who told you I was sleeping? I did. Look, the player is coming. How can you even see that far? I have 43 eyeballs. No. Oh, yeah, I forgot about you. As usual. I didn't forget you. Oh, that's nice. Take care. But you still suck. Ha, what? For once I had to. So you wanna be my friend? No. I'm just saying Timothy kinda sucks too. Excuse me, I'm right here. Lol, so true. You don't have legs either. Oh. I'll be your friend, Screech. I don't have any friends either. Yay! You don't have friends because you still in closet. You sit in a drawer all day. I thought we were friends. We're hide and seek. And I am in a duo. I have lit. 1 minute. I thought we were best friends. Were hide and seek. Diamond duo. I have literally never seen you before. That makes sense. You have no eyes. Where did you even come from? From underneath the floor? You? I'm not answering that. Guys, the player is here. Step aside. Let me handle this. अच्छा halt आ गया. What is this? Turn around. Who said that? Turn around. Alright, Jesus. Turn around. I already did. Turn around. Bro, what is this game? Ah! I told you to turn around. Okay. Bruh, he escaped. Wow, what I thought you ruined speedrun. You must be a glitch. Did someone say my name? No. Okay then. It's my turn to kill player. Yo, what is that thing? Ready or not? Here I come. Better run. You don't encourage him. You can't get me. Yes, I can. I am fastest monster. No, you're not. Wow, you all suck. Did I ask? Did I care? Do I care? It's grammar actually. But you still suck. I am 603 years old. I was around the monks actually. Shut up. My turn. Hey you. Look at me. No fear. He just walked right past me. Maybe you just ugly. Oh, the player just entered my library. How do you know? Because I can hear better than you can see. I highly dubbed that. I know double. Sorry, what's that? I can't hear. But you said you have really good hearing. अरे भाई यार क्यों आता रहता है? So figure, how do you plan walk around immediately until I hear something suspicious? That doesn't seem like a very well. Your tactic was chasing him in the hallway and teleporting behind him. Even it's something called look into it. Oh wait, you can't cause you're blind. वैसे बात तो सही कही है, ब्लाइंड है वो फिगर. Right there, to your right. Really? I didn't see anything. But you're blind figure. एक तो भाई ये टैबलेट में खेल रहा है इसलिए इतना छोटा दिख रहा है बॉक्स की तरह. Dude, he's getting all the books. Why does he need my books from library? Does he like to read? Forgot it. Someone else can help you. Me. Anyone but Screech. Figure, I thought you said we all suck. Why do you need our help? You know what? I don't. I can do it myself. You were saying? I gave up. Hey, I didn't get a turn yet. Lol, that was awful. I knew. Don't talk about my best friend like that. Yeah, don't talk about my friends. Seek, you are not my friend. Seek, I am not. What is the difference? Perspective. My turn to mess with the player. What are you gonna do? You'll see. What was the point of that? It was funny. खुद का मजाक उड़ा रहा है. Guys, the player is almost to the end. What we do? Take a nap? नहीं. Okay, fine. Rush. What are you going to do, Rush? You already had a chance to kill the player. That's not me. कौन है? Rush तुम ही हो. Hold on. What is this? Yeah. Oh, ambush था. You literally just copied exactly what I did. You sure about that? Oh, ये ambush किस है? Wait, why is he coming back? Ambush वही करता है. What is that even allowed? You have some kinds of contract नहीं समझ आ रहा है क्या बोल रहा है. Well, no, but there is a motion carries. अरे ये क्या? हाँ, can't get me now. Get out. No way, I'll die. Get out. Or what? Do you really want to find out? Okay, fine, I'll get out. Uh-oh, it's coming back again. I need to get back in. Well done, now he's gonna make it to the elevator. Oh no, he isn't. Figure, you're back. You really thought I'd give up that easily? Yes, you're kind of cowards. एक मिनट, उल्टा क्यों है? यहाँ पे तो वो आता है ना क्या है? Bruh, he just ran to your past. अरे इतनी जल्दी जल्दी हो रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I knew this would happen. Yes, same. Smiley, इसका नाम तो विंडो. I hate this thing. ओके, दूसरा वाला आ गया. YouTube comments? Forgot it. But you're right. Nobody truly understands us. Yes, someday they'll find out. Hey guys, I'm back. Where have you been? The back rooms. What's the back rooms? Don't you understand anything outside of doors? Also, you got fine, whatever. So what do we do? Just watch for now. Keep a close eye. Yes, sir. Another player. Here is the weak kill leaderboard. रश नंबर 1 पर है, उसके 27 किल्स है. फिगर नंबर 2 पर है 19 किल्स है. सीक नंबर 3 पर है 16 किल्स है. एम्बश नंबर 4 पर है 14 किल्स है. और हॉल्ट 9 किल्स. ओके, मैं इन सब में से सबसे मर रखा हूँ. मैं रश से सबसे ज़्यादा बार ग्रीन हाउस में मरा हूँ. फिगर से लाइब्रेरी में सबसे ज़्यादा बार और 100 पे. सीक के फर्स्ट चेज पे मैं कभी कभार नहीं होता हूँ, या फिर पता नहीं. एम्बश से मैं काफ़ी बार मर रखा हूँ. मेरे को लगता था पहली बार ना मैं सिर्फ 2 बार ही मरा हूँ इससे. और हॉल्ट से मैं स्टार्टिंग में काफ़ी बार मरता था, पर अब मेरे को इससे बचना आ गया ठीक से. जब टर्न अराउंड की जगह रन में आता है ना, तो मैं फिर भी टर्न अराउंड करके मर जाता हूँ. फील सो गुड टू बी ऑन टॉप अगेन. Yeah, Rush, we get it. For the 69. No, I will not shut up. Just like you didn't shut up when you killed that guy before the dumbest. अच्छा ये आ गया. The dumbest reason being you. What that I hear? Jealously? Well, Rush, I can hear much better than you, and my ugliness, right? I get it. How do you know? Because you're predictable. I wish all ugly monsters are. What? That's a horrible idea. Why is that? Because this game wouldn't. Oh, अरे एक second. Why is that? Because game wouldn't be the same without you. सही बोला. What? What did I say? भूल गया भाई. एम्बर सीक फिगर टिमोथी. एक सेकेंड. एम्बश रश. एम्बर ज़्यादा अच्छा है. सीक और फिगर में से सीक ज़्यादा अच्छा है. रश बोल रहा है. टिमोथी और स्क्रीच में से ज़्यादा अच्छा. टिमोथी वो मकड़ी है छोटी सी, इतने बड़े मोटे स्क्रीच से अच्छी. Actually, I agree with that one. Why you guys are so mean to me? Good question. Those players chat. Okay, players की chat. How to play? Noob. Hello there. I'm guiding light, but you can call me spirit. I'll be here to guide you throughout this game. What are you looking at? Looking out the window. But why? Cause I wanna see a bird. Do you realize there is thunderstorm behind it? Wait, well, maybe a bat. Okay, listen. You don't need to look at the window. You just need to. Wait, what about a vampire bat? Do you want my help or not? Yes, please. I am very sorry, guiding light spirit. I just really like beats. Man, you just. What? How did you know you were a hacker? Do you know my address? Please no hack me. I have a family and a GF. You do not have a. Yes, I do. She's the. Just listen. Grab the key, unlock the door, open it, and go through the door. Oh, it's a call picture. Acha picture. Will you please cooperate? Okay, where's the key? It's on the wall behind the desk. On the wall, not in the drawers. Bell क्यों बजा रहा है ये? Dude right behind you. बेचारा लाइट थक गया क्या है ये? Now unlock the door. See what? It really that hard? Yes. Wow. I shouldn't have even asked you that. There you go, just keep moving and open doors. What's this? That's a closet. You don't need to go in it. You know I had a bad feeling of your company. Get out, hide over. Listen to hide. You can't stay in there. No, bro. Are you familiar with the concept of personal space? What's a concept? Get out. Make me. Okay. Oh, why'd you do that? You told me to. But you hurted me. I'm in pain. I'm gonna tell my mommy. Rush, please get rid of him. My pleasure. What? Why does he get to do it? Why can't I do it?
Sir, training done.
I hate this ads.
एक दिन इस
वो ad
मिट्टी के लिए खेलना
खत्म
है।
करके और
Show me. Amazon Pay ICICI credit card.
खत्म हो गया ad. Because I am not dealing with him another 48 days. I guess we're both cowards it. You know what? I have enough of you figure. Time out figure. What is that? It seems you are having trouble with Rush. The lights forgot this. I am leaving. Screw you now. Thank you so much, Rush. I am taking the rest of the day. Wow, figure. Blind and mute? No wonder you so senseless. Who said I was mute? What? How was your time out? 8.2 seconds. Great, now I have to deal with you again. It's so unfair. I got only 2 chances to kill the player. In the second chance, well, that's your fault. The what? How about this? Whoever kills the player first wins. Wins what? I don't know. Infinite glory? What's glory? I don't know. Ask Ambush. He has a stomach edge. Wait, but Ambush doesn't have a stomach. Well, I don't have eyes. But how? Briley. That's impossible. We're on Discord. How about this? Whoever wins gets infinite glory and whoever loses has to. एक मिनट क्या बोला इसने? And whoever loses has to speak in only emojis for 3 days. सही है. And if neither us kill us, rock paper scissors. Deal. BTW, I think you meant to say. Oh, you are. Calm down. ये क्या है? That was my line. Hold up. There's two people. Alright, let's do this. Time to walk through 100 doors into the immense universe. Door number 1. I just have to wait the perfect opportunity. What do we do? Just lay low and watch Rush and I will kill. You don't tell me what. Isn't that kinda racist? I don't know what you mean, but I don't care. And wasn't it a figure? Still, I don't care. You're so annoying. You have 8 legs and 8 annoying. Well, you don't have legs and 8 your jokes are so outdated. Your mom is outdated. Oh! That's right. There was your own outdated joke. I don't care what you say. I am moving. You know what? Go ahead. Like I am worried about you stealing my kill. Dumb spider. Really good work, Tim. You dealt a whopping 5 HP of damage. And how much damage? With what legs? I will open every drawer until I found you. Do you even brush them? पर रश सच में ब्रश नहीं करता क्या? क्या हुआ? What is that? We got a high rush is coming. What? Get in the budget. That was close. Go ahead and insult me now, Timothy. I wasn't going to. You weren't? Yeah, you're so bad. I ran out of insults. Lol. You are late once again. Ambush. Shut up. No one asked you. BTW. By the way, you look like. I don't care what anyone says to anyone. What? But that's unfair. Did you hear anything? I just said, pretty sure you did, since whatever you never gonna kill them. रश चाहे कुछ भी कर ले पर मेरे को नहीं पकड़ पाएगा रश. Yeah. You're making a fool out of yourself. I don't care. I will keep trying. That's the spirit, Rush. You are the last person I need you to get in the closet. I can't find one. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ पर? चीज़ी? Cheesy, where are you? I died. No, I can't do this without you, bro. Bro, stop making it too dramatic. Just go. And this is how it's done. Rush, I think you're forgetting something. There is still one more player. If I can kill him, I can still win. Dude, are you even trying? He's going to the left side, I can sense it. No, he's at the door with the lock. Nice try. अरे भाई डरा दिया. What is this? Is someone in there? Yup, someone's in here. Yes, now it's a tie. Well then. 3, 2, 1, go. I can't play. I don't have arms. So I then. No, we have to think of something else. I have an idea. Let's let the viewers decide. Oh, viewers vote who I think did the better. Poll in the description. But you have to vote. Do it before 9. 1 second. 16 September 2022. Because the video कब आया? Whoever loses has to speak in only emojis next episode.
Karan doesn't want me to tell you, but I have to.
Okay,
End of
खत्म हो
season
गया.
sale में मिलेंगे flash deals.
गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. आई होप आपको मज़ा आया होगा. अगर मज़ा आया तो जल्दी से इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दो और तब तक के लिए टाटा अलविदा एंड बाय. और हाँ, आप भी ट्यूनाइट को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, उनकी वीडियो को लाइक भी कर देना. और चलते हैं अगले रिएक्टिंग में.